Hello guys, welcome to Lytical Preps. Please, if today is your first time of watching our video, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more exciting tricky questions together. Thank you for doing that. So, solution, we are having root x plus 2, root of x minus 8, which is equal to 4. Okay, so in this case, first of all, let's ignore the square roots covering both the equations. So square this. This will cancel this. So we are going to get x plus 2, okay, root x minus 8, which is 4 squared is 16. Okay. So now we will send this here. So leaving x root, so which is 2 root x minus 8 is equal to 16 minus x. Okay, so let us try to omit this square root. So by doing that, we have to square both sides again. Okay, and 2 squared is 4. You know this square will cancel here, so it is x minus 8, and it's equal to this. When we express this in quadratic form in algebra, I'm going to get 16 squared minus 2 multiplied by 16 times x, okay, plus our x squared, okay. So now we are going to get 4 times x is 4x minus this and this is 32, which is equal to now 16 squared. We are getting 256 minus 30, 16 times 2 is 32. So 32x plus x squared, okay. Now let's group all the items to one side. So we are going to get x squared minus 32x, okay, then this plus 256 rather, plus 32 plus, so this is negative positive, so it will be negative. So negative 4x is equal to 0. Okay. So let's rearrange this again. So x squared minus this 4 here plus this. So it will be negative 36 x, then this plus this, which is equal to 288, and it's equal to 0. Okay. Now you can use factorization method to solve this quadratic equation. So what we do is we are looking for two factors. When you multiply, you are getting 288, but when you add, you are going to get negative 36. So these two numbers will give us, let's say, negative 24 plus negative, so plus negative 12. Okay, so this and this plus this will give us 36, negative 36, but 24 times 12 we get 288. So again get x squared minus 24x minus 12x plus 288 is equal to 0. Okay, now you can get x into bracket x minus 24, then 12 into bracket x minus 24, and it's equal to 0. Now you have x minus 12 to bracket this, you pick one, x minus 24, which is equal to 0. Okay, now we have two cases. We have x minus 12 is equal to 0, and then x minus 24 is equal to 0. So in this case, x is equal to 12, and here x is equal to 24. Okay, now after getting these answers, let's verify to see if whether x is equal to 24 or x is equal to 12 satisfy the equation. So we check when x is equal to 12. Okay, so equation we are having root of x plus 2 root x minus 8 is equal to 4. Okay, so when x is 12, we are going to get this is 12 plus 2 root 12 minus 8, and this should be equal to 4. Now, we are having 12 plus 2. So 12 minus 8, we are getting 4. And this should be equal to 4. So square root of 4 is 2. So you are going to get 12 plus 2 into bracket 2. And this should be equal to 4. Okay. Now, 12 plus 4, we are getting root of 16. And this root of 16 should be equal to 4. Root of 16 is 4. So 4 is equal to 4. Okay. So it means that our x is equal to 12. Satisfy the equation. Now let's check for that of x is equal to 24. So we are having root of 24 plus 2 root 24 minus 8, and this will be equal to 4. Okay. Now, root of 24 plus 24 minus 8, we are getting 24 minus 8, we are getting 16. Okay. So 2 root 16, and this should be equal to 4. So root 24 plus 2, root of 16 is 4. So 2 multiplied by 4, and it should give us 4. Now, 24, this, which is 8, 24 plus 18, we are getting 32. So root 32 is equal to 4, and root 32 is 4 root 2, and it is not equal to 4. Okay, so for this solution, we say that therefore our x is equal to 12. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting and tricky questions. Thank you for doing that. Bye bye.